His name is Latifah. Are you gonna go and flip the egg?
No, not yet.
Okay. Is he trying to kill it?
Well, he plays with it himself. He only plays with it.
He plays with it and himself?
He plays with himself.
He plays with himself, okay.
He plays by himself. Like, he knows how to throw the thing up and go and grab it.
Obviously, and he's just doing that. Are you gonna go flip the egg? Are you gonna go play with your dog?
No, that's a egg.
Oh, I just got your potato on my camera.